Friends, it's a great pleasure that we have our Honorable Minister, Sri Kodiyeri Balakrishnan, is present with us. Out of his very busy schedule, he has fulfilled his promise. Sri Kodiyeri Balakrishnan is the Home, Vigilance and Tourism Minister, Government of Kerala. Sir, we heartily welcome you to this session. I need not introduce Sri Balakrishnan to all of you. Still, those who came from outside, a very active minister who has contributed much to the development of Kerala tourism. Now for the information of our Honorable Minister, this is the third day. We had 2-day sessions over yesterday and day before yesterday. We had a number of delegates came from South Asia and the regions, Australia, New York. We had in fact brainstorming session yesterday, the full day session. Lots of ideas came out, how to bring unity in diversity for bridging cultures for peace and development. This is the second forum that we, the Global Dialogue Foundation, in partnership with the United Nations Alliance of Civilizations, is conducting. Our first forum was in Melbourne, Australia, a 3-day forum. This is our second forum. We are planning to hold such forums in different parts of South Asia as well as in other regions. Our aim is to bring unity among different cultures throughout the world. I came to know after a study done by the UN, out of 5 disputes arising in the world, 4 are related to cultural differences. So with your blessings and with your participation, we hope we will achieve our aim. May I request our Honorable Minister to address the gathering. Thank you.
Respected guests on and off of the dais, dear delegates from different countries and friends, it is indeed an honor to be here. At the outset, let me appreciate the United Nations Alliance of Civilizations for organizing this seminar with a very relevant theme: Unity in Diversity. I am not going to deliver a lengthy lecture. Rather, I share some of my thoughts with you. We are living in a world of differences. Plurality is the very characteristics of the world. Different types of people living in different countries, having varied geographic features and culture, and of course this variety is beauty. If people in all countries having same habits and cultures, it will be simply monotonous. But unfortunately, some people are not able to understand this fact and try to make this world a unilateral one. The political and social climate that prevails in the world today emphasizes difference, disunity, and destruction rather than the qualities of unity and productive and constructive energy that are required to sustain human societies. to accept plurality is the need of the hour. We live in a time of great change and challenge. The only way that we are going to be able to move through this time is to integrate the community of all races, cultures, and religions all over the world. To ensure this type of harmony, we should encourage dialogue. That is why these types of seminars become relevant. The use of the phrase unity in diversity and similar concepts is not a new phenomenon. Its roots reach back hundreds of years. In modern democratic world, we adopted it as the key concept for harmonious living. Unity in diversity is the highest possible attainment of the civilization. India is a country which has adopted this concept as its motto, and we have proved its practicability in a big democratic state. Kerala is also a classical example for how a varied community can be peaceful and harmonious blending and coexistence of ideas. Kerala, as we proud of it, is a land of beauty, and I hope that all the delegates of this seminar enjoyed the stay here. I thank you all for visiting Kerala. Thank you.